Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete product categories in WooCommerce. This is a useful skill when you're reorganizing your store structure or removing categories you no longer need, helping keep your product organization clean and streamlined. First, open up your web browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once you're on the login page, enter your credentials to access your WordPress account if you haven't already signed in. This step is essential as it gives you access to your WordPress dashboard where all the management tools are located. Now that you're logged into your WordPress account, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. This is where you'll find all the key sections for managing your website. Look for the option labeled Products and click on it. An expanded menu will appear with several subcategories related to your WooCommerce store. From these options, you'll want to click on Categories. This will take you directly to the Product Categories Management page, where you can view and organize all your existing categories. Once you arrive at the Categories page, the process becomes quite straightforward. On the right side of your screen, you'll see a section that displays all your current product categories in a list format. This list gives you a clear overview of every category you've created for your store. To delete a category, simply hover your cursor over the specific category you want to remove. When you do this, a set of action options will appear directly beneath that category name. Among these options, you'll see Delete. Click on this Delete option, and the selected product category will be immediately removed from your WooCommerce store. It's that simple. Keep in mind that deleting a category doesn't delete the products within it. Those products will simply become uncategorized, so you may want to reassign them to other categories before deletion if you prefer to maintain your store's organization. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to delete product categories in WooCommerce, giving you better control over your store's structure and organization. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.